Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify tax documents for 1099s in TurboTax. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open TurboTax on your computer. Sign in to your account. Navigate to the Tax Tools section on the left menu. Click on Tools to access additional options. Select View Tax Summary from the Tools menu. Locate and click on your 1099s or income in the Tax Summary section. Review the list of 1099 forms displayed. Select the 1099 you wish to verify. Click on Edit to open the form. Check that your personal and income information is complete and accurate. Compare the information entered in TurboTax with your original 1099 document. Ensure all income amounts match the figures on your 1099. Verify any boxes that have amounts, such as non-employee compensation or interest income. Confirm your taxpayer identification number is correct on the form. If you notice any discrepancies, go back to your original documents for clarification. Make necessary corrections directly in TurboTax. After making adjustments, ensure all changes are saved. Continue through the rest of your tax return, if applicable. Once finished, review your entire tax return summary for accuracy. When you are ready, proceed to e-file or print your return. Always save a copy of your completed return for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.